This is the last one of the day, and it is from Unexpected, and this is called the iBin. And right now, what does it look like you're looking at, Will?
It looks like a little garbage bin that's that's embedded into the floor.
Okay. All right, give it a play.
Oh.
Wow. What? Will, what just happened?
Wow, that's pretty smart.
What just happened?
It's a table, and they converted a MacBook.
Did they convert a MacBook? That doesn't seem worth it for a quick little video.
So you can buy this? Can I go to ibin.com?
I don't know, man. I doubt they converted a real MacBook, right?
Well, the screen.
Is this not CG?
CG? The guy's touching it. How's it?
The bottom part.
Oh, the bottom part.
With tracking. Is this not like some Zach King type of thing?
Oh, yeah, it's possible.
Because he's not going to ruin an entirely good MacBook Pro, right?
Oh, maybe. I think you might be right.
A dummy unit MacBook Pro.
The reflection. I don't know. The reflection seems...
I mean, it could have been a dead MacBook Pro, and then you just cut into it and, make something like that. But it's cool looking anyway. The way the clip comes together, it really disrupts your mind.
Yeah. I was very confused at the beginning.
You go here, you go bang, you throw the trash, and then your mind is saying, wait, what kind of trickery is going on? How do you achieve this?
That's a loud bang, too.
The reflection. Focus on the reflection. Yeah, okay. No, reflection looks good.
Really?
Right? You see the thing go in. No? No hand. Would you see the hand reflected, though? You should see the hand reflected, shouldn't you? I don't know.
Maybe. I don't know. The physics look kind of weird. But I don't know. It's hard to tell. They did a pretty good job.
They did a good job, so shout out. And obviously this post exploded because it's super cool, as we imagine some sort of hidden trash can in a table. Someone should just do hidden table trash can anyway.
Yeah.
And you do it with a dummy laptop, and it's like a cool feature in your room because you're really cool.
Yes.
You know how that works, Will? You ever seen that before? Shout out Nate, who's a big fan of Vin. Maybe Vin will see this, and he'll... be a guest on the show one more time. It's been a long time since we've actually seen him. But that might be the motivation he needs, all those $2 super chats from Nate.
Yeah.
Anyway, there you have it. That's the iBin. A lot happened today. This was a breaking episode, as you are aware. And that's our job. We bring you the breaking. We're never gonna let you down. No, Will. No! It was about the shush. I'm a big Lord guy. Huge Lord guy. Shout out Lord. Thank you for all the super chats. Really do appreciate it. Really makes a difference. Since we're getting copyright strike anyway.
Yeah.
As I told you before. We'll try to get Vin on the show for you. Hopefully Mo will be back. We'll be back in one form or another tomorrow, and maybe we'll have new news on the whole situation with Elon Musk and Twitter and everything that's transpiring. What a time to be alive. That's the bottom line. But this is what we're here for, so that you don't have to go through any of that alone as you're bamboozled, as you're blindsided by the developments on the internet. We'll be here. And we'll be blindsided together. Thanks for joining.